Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Death in Reverse, Queen of Cups, and Hierophant. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Sagittarius, you are someone really dedicated to whatever you do, and you are a very honest person. So you do only the things that you truly feel is the right thing to do. So in your work or in your relationship, you are a very, a clear-headed person. You go for that action only about which you are really confident. And you have your intuition working, guys. Maybe your intuition may tell you certain things and it may work for you. It may work in the right way, helping you to avoid some difficulties. So when you're making some decisions, when your intuition is telling you something, you need to listen to it, guys. And you are a very wise person, caring and concerned towards the people you love. So you take good care of the people in your life, guys, and you are a very friendly person, Sagittarius. And today in your situation, guys, maybe if you are facing some obstacles, some troubles in your life, all that is going to change because you are seeing your situation, or you are handling your situation in a better way today, trying to do things more confidently and trying to do things more clearly. So whatever works for you, whatever works in the right way, you are going for that. And maybe in this relationship with this person you love, you are thinking of marriage or commitment. So you want clarity in your circumstances. Maybe you may feel that this person is not someone you have dreamt of. They may be quite, they are loving and caring, but they are not the expected person. They may not be your dream person. So some kind of, that lack of that, boredom is there in this relationship. You may feel quite ordinary when you are with them, nothing inspiring or making you truly excited when you are with this person. So for your relationship, we picked one card. It's Ace of Wands in reverse, guys. But you love this person, and this person may not be your dream person, guys, but if it is true love, you can expect marriage or engagement with them with this card. That is what I see. So they may not be your dream person, but if it is true love, if you feel that you can trust them completely, you can go for this love, guys, go for this relationship. But there may be some day-to-day efforts you need to make. So relationship is needs a lot of effort, guys, and it needs our attention and our care. So if you are willing to do that. And we were speaking about your dedication. So you are someone who is truly honest to your heart. So if you feel that they are the right person for you, you can go ahead towards marriage or commitment, guys. So that is what I see for your relationship, guys. So for your career situation, we have Temperance in reverse. So with this card, it just means that maybe in your work, there may be some clash of ideas, maybe with the people you work with, your teammates or your mentor, someone. But your situation will resolve, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, let's see what is the card. We have the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances, guys, for your love or the concern you have on someone, you are sacrificing a lot or you are doing everything possible in your capacity, trying your best, doing your best to help this person, help them come out of some difficulty. But you are someone who has a strong willpower and determination. You are doing it by yourself in silence. You are facing all the obstacles or difficulties today all by yourself for the love you have for this person. But they may not understand that, they are not aware of it even for some of you. And this may even look like a madness on your part, maybe the people around you. They may feel that you have a mad dedication, something a very unexpected level of that single-mindedness towards this task or towards this mission, that you're doing everything, sacrificing so much. Maybe you are in this situation, guys, and maybe people feel really hostility in their hearts towards you. But whatever you face today, guys, whatever difficulties it may be, there may be a lot of pain you are having, there may be too much you are doing on your part, but whatever it is, you are going to heal and there is a great breakthrough coming in your circumstances. So circumstances are not going to go in the same way forever. There are great changes, beautiful, positive changes coming in your life very soon, guys. And people will appreciate your single-minded dedication and your helpful, kind nature. And people will know the truth and they will truly appreciate you for whatever you have done for this person you love, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is mending. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation, in your circumstances today, this may be the time for understanding and letting go of that unwanted burden in our life. So, when we feel really hurt or sad or angered by some situation or by someone, we keep ourselves chained to that person or that situation, guys, instead of healing ourselves. So, if we want to heal ourselves and move forward in our life, the way to do that is through mending our situation. And forgiveness is the best way to do that. So, separate or together with your person you love. Maybe even if you are in separation, you both are experiencing the effects of hurt that is impacting everything you do. So even you may not be aware of it, but it affects whatever you do, and there is some kind of a negative energy you are having in your heart today. So that needs to be cleared. So, how to do that? So, closing your heart may not be the answer today, guys. So, if you want to heal this wound, what you need to do? So, you need to forgive this person who has hurt you and forget and move on. But if you feel that you are the one who has hurt them, you must truthfully, in your heart of hearts, apologize to them. Maybe if you can do it directly, then it is well and good. Maybe if you cannot, in your heart of hearts, you can honestly make redress, honestly say the words that you are sorry for them, sorry for what has happened, and that will bring a change in your heart, guys, a positive change, and only goodness will come out of forgiveness. And that is what this card is about. And that is the way you are going to set yourself from the chains that are holding you back today, holding you in the sadness and pain. So, that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.